It is most likely my birthday today. So you'll be giving me the best birthday gift in the entire world if you actually subscribe to the channel.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hi, I'm Frances. Welcome to my channel. Friend Gadi Douglas, popularly known as Lagos State University. I'm a technical analyst. Yes, I read charts for a living. Digital skills, finance, and reviews. Digital skills. So when I say digital skills, I don't mean anything too techy. I actually mean skills that corporate workers, entrepreneurs, or anyone who just likes to learn to make life easy for them should actually know. Because gone are the days when you would say, I am a caterer, I do not want to know about the financial market, or I am a sailor, I do not want to care about politics. Finance. So when I say finance, I'm not going to teach anybody how to make money because I myself is looking for their back. So when I say finance, we're actually going to be doing some financial talk like the financial markets, cryptocurrency, investments, and all of that. Yeah. And lastly, reviews. It is not a new thing that the streets of the internet is filled with scammers. People promising you high return of interest with little capitals. So we are going to actually be bringing on these money-making platforms and reviewing them, telling you if they're scam or not, and also if they are actually worth your time and stress or not. Aside sharing and impacting, this channel is actually my little way of doing that which I really love doing, which is learning and staying updated with things that I am already informed about. So this is where I would be asking you guys to do me a very big favor by liking, subscribing, and dropping a casual comment. And not only will you be doing me a favor, it is most likely my birthday today. So you'll be giving me the best birthday gift in the entire world if you actually subscribe to the channel. Yep. So thank you for sticking with me to those points. See you in our next video. Thank you.